The crepe, a culinary icon, it evokes images of Parisian cafes and bustling street markets. But did you know this thin, delicate pancake traces its roots back to the humble region of Brittany in France? Legend has it that a 13th century housewife in Brittany accidentally dribbled thin batter onto a hot, flat stovetop, and voila, the crepe was born.
From these humble beginnings, the crepe quickly captured the hearts and stomachs of the Bretons. It became a staple food, enjoyed with simple fillings like butter and sugar or savory additions like ham and cheese. As centuries passed, the crepe's fame spread beyond the borders of Brittany. It eventually arrived in Paris, where it was embraced with open arms.
Parisians, with their penchant for all things elegant and delicious, elevated the crepe to new heights. Today, the crepe is a global phenomenon. From the streets of Tokyo to the cafes of New York, this versatile food continues to enchant taste buds worldwide. It is a testament to the enduring appeal of simple, well-made food capable of infinite variations.
Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates.
Making a perfect crepe may seem deceptively simple, but it is an art form honed over generations. The traditional tools are basic: a flat, round griddle called a billig or crepiere, a T-shaped wooden spreader, and a thin spatula for flipping. The batter, a simple mixture of flour, milk, eggs, and a touch of salt, is the heart of the crepe.
Achieving the perfect consistency, thin and flowing yet strong enough to hold its shape, is crucial. The crepe maker, with a flick of the wrist, pours a ladle full of batter onto the hot griddle and spreads it evenly with a swift, circular motion. The crepe cooks quickly, its edges beginning to curl as the surface sets. A deft flip, and the other side is cooked to a delicate golden brown.
The entire process from pouring to flipping is a mesmerizing dance of skill and precision. It's a testament to the fact that sometimes the simplest tools and techniques, passed down through generations, are all it takes to create something truly special.
While the crepe's origins may be humble, its journey to global stardom is paved with colourful characters and culinary innovations. One of the first champions of the crepe outside Brittany was a woman named Madame Suzette. Legend has it that in the late 19th century, Madame Suzette, a Parisian actress, was preparing crepes for the Prince of Wales when she accidentally flambéed the dish with orange liqueur. To her surprise, the prince adored the happy accident, and crepe Suzette was born.
Another key figure in crepe history is Henri Charpentier. This young waiter at Monte Carlo's Café de Paris in the late 19th century is credited with creating the now classic crepe Suzette. While the exact details are debated, Charpentier's creation cemented the crepe's place as a dessert worthy of royalty and commoners alike.
These culinary pioneers, along with countless others, helped elevate the crepe from a simple peasant food to a dish enjoyed in the finest establishments worldwide. Their creativity and passion for this versatile food paved the way for the crepe's enduring popularity.
Fast forward to the 21st century, and the world of food is experiencing a technological revolution. The crepe, despite its traditional roots, has not been left behind. From automated crepe makers to AI-powered recipe generators, technology is changing how we enjoy this beloved food.
One of the most significant advancements is the rise of automated crepe makers. These machines, designed for both commercial and home kitchens, take the guesswork out of crepe making. They ensure consistent results, producing perfectly thin and evenly cooked crepes every time.
But the technological advancements go beyond just cooking. Artificial intelligence is beginning to play a role in every aspect of the crepe industry, from production and customer service to marketing and even recipe development. These cutting-edge technologies are not replacing the traditional art of crepe making. Instead, they are enhancing it, making it more efficient, consistent, and accessible to a wider audience.
AI on the line revolutionizing crepe production. Imagine a world where crepes are made with unparalleled precision and consistency every single time. This is the promise of AI in crepe production.
AI-powered systems are being integrated into commercial crepe-making equipment, bringing a new level of automation and quality control to the process. These intelligent systems can monitor various factors during the cooking process, such as batter consistency, cooking temperature, and cooking time. They can adjust these parameters in real time to ensure each crepe is cooked to perfection, regardless of the operator's skill level.
Moreover, AI can analyze vast amounts of data to optimize ingredient usage and minimize waste. Imagine an AI system that can predict the exact amount of batter needed based on real-time demand, reducing overproduction and contributing to a more sustainable operation.
The integration of AI in crepe production is not about replacing skilled crepe chefs. It's about empowering them with tools to enhance their craft, improve efficiency, and deliver a consistently exceptional product to every customer. A crepe concierge at your fingertips, AI in customer service. In today's fast-paced world, customer service is paramount, and the crepe industry is no exception.
Enter AI-powered chatbots, the new frontier of customer interaction. Imagine this. You're craving a Nutella crepe at 2 a.m. Instead of frantically searching for an open creperie, you open your favorite food delivery app and start a chat. An AI-powered chatbot instantly greets you, ready to take your order.
It can answer your questions about menu options, suggest customized crepe combinations based on your preferences, and even process your payment seamlessly. But AI's role in customer service goes beyond just taking orders.
These intelligent systems can analyze customer data to personalize recommendations, offer loyalty rewards, and even predict future cravings based on past ordering patterns. Imagine receiving a notification from your favorite creperie, suggesting a new seasonal crepe creation based on your previous orders.
This level of personalized attention can enhance customer loyalty and create a more engaging and satisfying experience. Spreading the crepe gospel, AI in marketing. Marketing in the digital age is about connecting with your audience in meaningful ways. And when it comes to crepes, AI is proving to be a game changer.
AI-powered tools are being used to analyze social media trends, identify target audiences, and create highly targeted marketing campaigns that resonate with crepe lovers everywhere. Imagine this. You're scrolling through your Instagram feed and stumble upon a sponsored post from a local creperie. The post features a mouth-watering image of a crepe creation that perfectly aligns with your taste preferences.
This isn't magic, it's the power of AI. These intelligent systems can analyze your social media activity, identifying your favorite crepe fillings, dietary preferences, and even the times you're most likely to crave a delicious crepe.
AI can also help creperies optimize their online presence. Imagine a world where search engine optimization is handled by AI, ensuring that your website ranks high in search results when someone searches for best crepes near me. This increased visibility can lead to more foot traffic, online orders, and ultimately more crepe lovers satisfied.
The future of crepes, a delicious fusion of tradition and AI. As we stand at the intersection of culinary tradition and technological innovation, one thing is clear: the future of crepes is brighter than ever.
AI is not here to replace the human touch that makes this simple food so special. It's here to enhance it, to make it more accessible, efficient, and enjoyable for everyone.
Imagine walking into a creperie where a robotic arm, guided by AI, flawlessly spreads batter on a hot griddle, while a human chef adds the finishing touches with artistic flair. This harmonious blend of human expertise and technological precision could be the future of crepe making.
AI could also pave the way for personalized crepe experiences. Imagine ordering a crepe tailored to your exact dietary needs and flavor preferences, created by an AI-powered recipe generator that draws on a vast database of flavors and ingredients.
The future of crepes is not just about automation, it's about connection. AI can help us connect with the rich history and artistry of crepe making in new and exciting ways, ensuring that this beloved food continues to enchant and delight for generations to come. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates.